Welcome back to another MakeForms tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create a side pop-up form in MakeForms. A side pop-up is a sleek, drawer-style form that slides in from the side of your website, either left or right, when a user clicks on a floating tab. Here's how to set it up in MakeForms. From your dashboard, select the form you want to embed. We'll use the inquiry form as an example. Now click on the Sources tab. Scroll down to the Embed Your Form section. A screen will pop up asking you to name your widget. Once named, you'll see a list of embed types, each with its own behavior. Choose the first option, Side Pop-Up. As soon as you select it, a live preview of the widget appears on the right side of the screen, so you can see exactly how it'll look and behave. In the widget settings, toggle on Customize Widget Setting to access options where you can. Add a catchy title for your pop-up. Set the width in pixels to control its size. Now let's style it a bit. Select a font that matches your website's design. Adjust the text style and size to match your branding. You can also tweak the CTA button. Change the CTA text, like Unlock Offer. Customize background and text colors. Add some padding if you want a larger click area. Choose the position, left or right side of the screen. Once you're done customizing, click Save. Then Get Embed Code. Now copy this code and paste it into the footer of your HTML page. You'll see the tab, and when someone clicks it, the form slides in with your custom title on top. With side pop-up embeds, you get a professional form experience, always accessible, but never in the way. Try it out today and explore more widget types with MakeForms.